Hi students, how are you? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. I am JK Kumbar, supervisor in KA Bantiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya Navin Padve. In previous period we have seen practice set 6.1 video 1, that is part 1, that means question number 1 to 5. Now here we are going to see practice set 6.1 part 2, that means video second in 6.1, and that means the question number 6 and onwards. There are some questions like that, prove that. This is first question, this is first example from 6th question. Prove that sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Here this is LHS of equal sign, this is RHS of equal sign. LHS means left hand side and this is right hand side. Here we can take LHS, then we can prove RHS. If we can take RHS, we can prove LHS, and sometimes we can prove at a time both sides LHS is equal to RHS. Here we take left hand side is equal to, this is left hand side, take as it is sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Cos theta, for our convenience we can write here denominator is 1 without changing the meaning. We can write in this manner also, sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon 1. Here for addition, make their denominator is same, means multiply cos theta and cos theta for numerator and denominator. Means now here denominators are same, cos theta and cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta. Sin square theta as it is plus cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, and cos theta is denominator as it is. Now we know first identity. Which is first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That means except this sin square theta plus cos square theta, you can write 1, but sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From first additive we can write, except this we can write 1 upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, because we know sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and sec theta is the right hand side of given example. That means we prove here sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now see second example. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Again take left hand side, cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta as it is. Now cos square theta into, we know second identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, means we can write except this bracket, we can write sec square theta. And now we know the sec square theta is a reciprocal of cos square theta, and that's why we can write here cos square theta into sec square theta is nothing but 1 upon cos square theta. Here cos square theta get cancelled and remaining 1, that is the RHS. That means LHS is equal to RHS. Cos square theta in bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. We have to prove this. Then third example from 6th question. Any problem in this example? If we know the basic trigonometry and some trigonometric identity, we can prove these simple examples also. Now write down third one. Very important example. Under root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Take LHS. Under root 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta means numerator, just like numerator, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta without changing the meaning. Again, under root 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta bracket square upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, that is a plus b into a minus b, means 1 plus sin theta in bracket 1 minus sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin theta bracket square 1 square minus sin square theta. 1 square means 1, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the expansion formula we use here. A plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, means 1 minus sin square theta. Again, under root 1 minus sin theta bracket square divided by 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, because we know first identity. We know first identity. Which is first identity? But sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If we take sin square theta on that side, it becomes cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, means except 1 minus sin square theta, we can write cos square theta. Now, this is under root, this is square and this is also square. We can take square root, means 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta is equal to, separate the denominator according to numerator, 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta, and sin theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta. And see, this is right hand side is equal to right hand side, that means LHS is equal to RHS, means under root 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Hence the LHS is equal to RHS. What we have to do here? Only multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta and give simplification. Then you will get RHS, that is sec theta minus tan theta, after this simplification. Okay? Any problem? Write down this. And then fifth one. Practice must important for this example. Fifth one, that is cot theta plus tan theta. Is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Point means into multiplication. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Now LHS cot theta plus tan theta. You know relation between sin, cos and cot. Cot is cos theta upon sin theta and tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. Then by addition, sin theta into sin theta and cos theta into cos theta means if we equate the denominator, here we have to multiply by cos theta and here we have to multiply by sin theta. Means here also sin theta and here also cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, and sin theta into cos theta. Again see here, cos square theta plus sin square theta means sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is first identity. Means except this, we can write 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. We can write reason. First identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Means except sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta is equal to. Separate the denominator, 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. And you know 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta and 1 upon cos theta means sec theta is equal to RHS. That is, we have to prove here LHS is equal to RHS. Means cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. We have to prove there left hand side is equal to right hand side. And on last one, that is 7th example, if any problem you can ask me, otherwise write down. Very simple examples are also. Seventh one, sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Again take LHS. Sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. We can write in the same manner without changing the meaning. Sin square theta bracket square minus cos square theta bracket square. Rules of indices, a raised to m raised to n. You know this rule. A raised to m raised to n, that is a raised to mn. This is the rule of indices. With the help of this, we can write sin square theta bracket square minus cos square theta bracket square. Now you know, suppose this is a square minus b square. If a square minus b square, you know expansion formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta means a square plus b square, and here sin square theta minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square. Except this, we can write 1 from first identity. 1 in bracket sin square theta in bracket cos square theta. Except sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta, and this minus cos square theta, you know the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here is sin square theta. If we take cos square theta on that side, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta, means 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta, means except sin square theta, we can write here 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta as it is. Now here 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is 2 cos square theta, and this is our right hand side, is equal to right hand side. That means here we have to prove here LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? Sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Hence, the RHS is equal to LHS. We have to prove here. Now, some examples are remaining in this practice set 6.1. You try to solve, you try to prove yourself remaining examples from second video, that is from 6th question, that is prove that. Some example we have to prove here, and remaining example try to prove yourself. And this is the last video of our syllabus. This is the end of our syllabus, means maths 1 and maths 2 is the over. The syllabus according to board exam for this year, syllabus already over. On from next video, and that next video we are going to see, we will see the revision from first chapter. Okay, best luck.